Hello students, today we'll learn the lesson number 3rd, indices and cube root. Now first we'll learn what is the meaning of product. Product का मतलब क्या है? Means after multiplication we are getting answer, that is called product. Here for example I'll give here 6 2's. Okay, now how many 2's are there? 6 means 2 to the power 6. कितना 2 है? 6 2 है. This is called index form. Okay, this is already you studied in 7th standard in indices lesson. Which is a base here? Base का मतलब पाँव. Which is a base? Base means नीचे का number always base and ऊपर का number index. So here 2 is base and 6 is the index. So 2 to the power 6 is called index form. Okay. Now suppose like this question they'll give find the value of 2 to the power 6. So what to do? Now I have to multiply 6 times, right? 4, 5, 6 times I multiply. Then find the product now. 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, 16 2's are 32, 32 2's are 64. This is the value of 2 to the power 6. Now let's recall some laws of indices. Okay, this 8 laws last year you studied in 7th standard. Okay, just we'll recall now. This 8 laws also you have to keep in mind. Now suppose if m and n are integers, then what type of laws they are given? See here, a to the power m into a to the power n means base दोनों का same है और power अलग है. That is called a to the power m plus n. Second formula, a to the power m divided by a to the power n. Either here also base is same, but in between division sign, that is a to the power m minus n. a into b to the power m whole power m. So इसका मतलब ये अलग अलग लिखना है, a to the power m into b to the power m. Fourth one, a to the power any number, the power of any number is 0 means answer will be 1. Suppose example दिया 5 to the power 0, answer 1. Fifth one, a to the power minus m. माइनस है तो क्या लिखने का? 1 upon लिखना है, 1 upon a to the power m. Sixth one, a to the power m to the power n. इसका मतलब a into m into n करना. a is same and m into n, a to the power mn. Seventh one, a by b to the power m. इसका मतलब a to the power m divided by b to the power m. Eighth one, a by b to the power minus m. इसका क्या करना है? इधर रेसिप्रोकल निकालना है. a का जगह b डालो, b का जगह a डालो and minus sign cancel. So b by a to the power m. These are the 8 laws you have to keep in mind. Based on some laws of indices, we'll do some problems. Now see here, first question, 3 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 2. इसका मतलब देखो, according to your laws, first law what it says, a to the power m into a to the power n, right है? उसका आंसर क्या है? a to the power m plus n. सेम बेस सेम है, हमारा बेस कितना है? 3 है और m is 5, n is 2. According to this law, 5 plus 2, that is 3 to the power 7. This is your answer. Second question, 3 to the power 7 divide 3 to the power 9. Again, a to the power m divide a to the power n. इसका मतलब a to the power m minus n. Here a is 3, m is 7, n is 9. ऐसे ही लिखो तुम लोग, 3 to the power 7 minus 9. एक नंबर प्लस है, एक नंबर माइनस है, तो एक प्लस एक माइनस, तो माइनस करो, बड़ा नंबर का साइन डालो. So what is the answer here? Minus 2. Third sum, 3 to the power 4 उसका power 5. इसका मतलब a to the power m to the power n. So a to the power m into n. 3 4 into 5, that is 3 to the power 20. This is your answer. Next one, 5 to the power minus 3, इसका मतलब 8 to the power minus m. 8 to the power minus m में तो क्या लॉस है? लॉस इज 1 upon 8 to the power a to the power m, that is 1 upon 5 to the power 3. Now we'll go to fifth sum, that is 5 to the power 0. First only I told you the power of any number is 0 means answer will be 1. 5 to the power 1, इसका मतलब क्या है? 5 एक बार मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो आंसर इज 5. नेक्स्ट 7 क्वेश्चन, 5 into 7 to the power 2, that is a into b to the power m. इसका लॉ क्या बोलता है? a to the power m into b to the power m, that is a बोला तो हमारा 5 है, b बोला तो 7 है, तो 5 to the power 2 into 7 to the power 2. इसको ब्रैकेट डालो, पावर 2 को ब्रैकेट डालो. नेक्स्ट 5 by 7 to the power 3, इसका मतलब a by b to the power m, that is a power m by b power m. सो a का वैल्यू 5 है, b का पावर वैल्यू 7 है, तो 5 का पावर 3 डिवाइडेड बाय 7 का पावर 3. Then last sum, 5 by 7 to the power minus 3. माइनस 3 आया तो लॉ क्या बोलता है? a by b को क्या करने का? रेसिप्रोकल निकालने का, b by a करना है. ओके, सो a by b का पावर माइनस m, सो आंसर विल बी b by a to the power m. माइनस साइन नहीं डालना है आंसर में, और इसका a by b का रेसिप्रोकल निकालो, दैट इज b by a एंड omit that माइनस साइन. सो b का वैल्यू क्या है? 7 है. दिस इज योर 5 का वैल्यू, a का वैल्यू 5 है, b का वैल्यू 7 है. सो हमारा रेसिप्रोकल में क्या हो जाएगा? 7 ऊपर जाएगा, 5 नीचे आ जाएगा, तो 7 upon 5 to the power 3.